Where you are is a reality, you can't deny that. But you try to be on the edge so that when the opportunity comes, you jump. Easy, isn't it? Yes? If you're stuck deep inside, you cannot jump even if you wish. So, edge. So living on the edge, essentially, in normal parlance, it would mean live dangerously. What is danger? Is just a question of what you're capable of and what you're not capable of, isn't it? So if you want to enhance your capability, particularly with the inner nature, if you're not on the edge, would you push your capability? No, you would remain stagnant.